Hello, little tiny tots. Welcome back to Abhyaas Kids. Let's learn numbers. Here comes the number 1. Now, who is coming? Yes, the snowman is coming. Hello, snowman. I am the number 1. Here comes the number 2. Who is coming along? Yes, a snowman. Hi, snowman. What number am I? Yes, the number 2. 3. I am 3. Hello, snowman. Could you please tell me what number am I? I am the number 3. 4. Number 4. Snowman, tell what number am I? I am the number 4. 5. I am the number 5. I am a number 5. 6. Number 6. I am the number 6. I am the number 6. 6. 7. I am the number 7. Hey bird, could you please tell which number am I? Yes, I am the number 7. 8. I am the number 8. EIGHT 8. I am the number 8. EIGHT 8. 9. I am the number 9. NINE 9. The number 9. 10. I am the number 10. TEN 10. Hey little dog, do you know which number am I? I am the number 10. The number 10. Thanks for watching Abhyaas Kids. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.